On this episode, we will be making soy milk ourselves because at my stores near me, they're very expensive and they're full of a couple ingredients that I don't want anything to do with. They put sugar in their soy milk, for example, and other additives. If you want something done right, you gotta do it yourself. Let's get started. Before we can blend our soybeans, we have to soak them overnight. So I have half a cup here, and I'll put them in some water. And we will come back to them tomorrow. Here we are the next day. They have tripled in size and they have changed their shapes. Check this out. So that's the original dry bean. And that's it now. Very cool. What we're going to want to do is try and remove as much of the outer skin as we can to take down the bitterness a bit. It's very easy. You just take your hand, you put it in the water, and you just move it around like that, massage the beans, and the skins will float up and the beans will sink because they weigh more. Then you just scoop them off. That took about a minute to take all the skins off, and here they are. We're gonna get these drained. Here we have our soybeans, our water. So I'm using 4 cups to make a liter because there's 4 cups and 20 I think in a liter. So obviously this is going to give some volume to it, because at the store for a liter I pay around €1.50. This way I would literally be paying maybe 20 cents to do a liter. So we have our blender all ready to go, and we also have our cheesecloth over a pan where we're cooking. Soybeans in. Water in. Lid on. Blend until smooth. Look how nice and frothy that looks. Amazing. Oh, it smells wonderful too. Pour everything in the cheesecloth. Now gently lift up and squeeze. Let's see what we're left with here. Now, if my pronunciation is correct, I believe this is called okara. I'll set that to the side. This is a zero waste kind of situation here. Now it's on the stovetop. Let it reach a boil. Our soy milk is now boiling. We're going to leave it to cook for another 15 minutes. If a film develops on top of it, you could take it off and use it in your dim sum, or you could just stir it back in and it will dissolve. Our 15 minutes are up. Just going to shut the heat off. And I'm going to make this cool down before I transfer it to my glass bottle. There we have it, our own soy milk. Check that out. Let's give it a taste. Cheers. I love it. Alright, I'm gonna go finish this whole glass. Try not to drink the entire bottle. If you liked this recipe and want to see more, you can follow me on Instagram. My username is Viking Kitchen. And check out my recipe blog at www.veganvikingkitchen.com. Until next time, keep it vegan.